In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Slack message. Whether you've just spotted a typo or need to revise something you've sent, knowing how to quickly and efficiently edit your messages in Slack is incredibly useful. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you're all set to keep your Slack communications clear and professional. First, we need to navigate to Slack. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Slack homepage URL. Once there, you'll want to sign into your workspace. If you're using Google to manage your credentials, just click on Sign In with Google. This method is efficient and saves you the hassle of remembering another password. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. Here you can see all your channels and direct messages. Our focus today is on editing messages in direct messages, commonly referred to as DMs. Go ahead and select any DM from your dashboard. This could be an ongoing conversation where you need to make corrections or adjustments. After selecting the appropriate DM, look for the message you want to edit. Mouse over it and you'll notice a few icons appearing on the right side of the message. Locate the three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu, which is crucial for editing. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu with several options will appear. Among those options you'll find Edit Message. Click on it and you'll see your existing message become editable. Now you can easily correct typos, add new information, or adjust the wording as needed. After you've made the changes, simply press enter and the updated message will instantly replace the previous version in the chat. Editing messages in Slack is a fantastic way to ensure clear communication. It's great for fixing mistakes and making sure that what you've written appropriately reflects what you intended to say. However, it's always good practice to inform the other party if significant changes were made, just to ensure clarity and transparency on both ends. And that's how you edit a message in Slack. This quick and easy process can save a lot of trouble and misunderstandings in your communications. Always keep in mind that Slack is a collaborative tool designed to help manage workflow and communication, so mastering these little tricks can be a big boost to your productivity and effectiveness. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video for more useful tips on enhancing your digital workspace.